Hi, so in today's video I am going to show some basic Windows command. What is a Windows command and how to use that. So first of all I'll tell you what is command prompt. So command prompt is a command line interpreter that can be used to execute the commands and to perform some administrative functions. So I'll proceed with my first step. So like how to open command prompt in user mode and in administrative mode. So to open a command prompt, just go to start button, search for CMD. Okay, so once you click on enter, so it will come like command prompt. So this you can see like this is a user based command prompt. This is not an administrative command prompt. To open a command prompt in administrative mode, search for CMD and right click on it and click on run as administrator. So it will open command prompt in administrator mode. How to verify? You can verify like here. See, here it is now administrator command prompt, and if you see for normal or user based, there is no administrator. So this is the difference between both command prompt. So now the second command is how to change font colors. As we can see, currently the font color is white. So to change, just type command color or type B or C or A to change the color. There are different colors available. This is, we can change the command colors. And to list the items in the directory, okay, we need to use dir command. So like in the current directory it is C Windows System 32, type dir. This is how you will get all the files available here. Now fifth command is ipconfig, which is used to identify system machine's IP address. Just hit and here you will get IP address of the machine. This is used to identify the IP address of the machine. Now sixth command, like how to check the history. This is to check the history of the commands executed. So whatever command we have executed, that will come here. We need to type this command and press enter. So these are the commands we have executed till now in this session. So these are the, you can see here. And oh, I missed this command. To clear the screen, just type CLS and it will clear the screen. Moving forward, the last command is ping command. This is used to check the reachability. Press enter. Just type in again, so that it is, this will come like this. So these are some basic commands. Thank you for watching this videos. Thanks.